welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Welcome. In today's video, I want to do like a haul video of what I've bought, new cross-stitch kits and new organizers. So I have big kits here, small kits here, organizers here, and in total there are about 8 kits that I bought and 2 organizers. So let's start with the organizers. This is made of wood. It's like a bunny from Alice in Wonderland. And this one holds like 20 colors. And the other organizer, this one is very, very large. This can hold 50 colors, and this is made of wood. This one is huge. So let's start with the small kits. The first one, this is Russian. This is called Искусница from the name. This is like this reminds me of a place I used to live in when I was a kid, and they had the exact same tram and the houses and the apartment blocks and stuff like that. So this is kind of like, I bought this because I felt nostalgic. But this is a small kit, and you can see the floss here. Next kit, these are like these 3 kits. These are like a series of kits by RTO, and this series called Grandma's Old Garden, something like that. But this is what it looks like. This is a small kit. Just a second. This reminds me of my grandmother's house. She used to have flowers on the other side of the house, where the windows were, not where that door was. And the flowers that she had, they would smell only when it was nighttime or evening time. They would never smell during the daytimes. So this reminds me of her, and she recently passed away, so I just wanted to buy something and make something that remind me of her. This is DMC floss, and this is 14 count 8 of fabric. And the needle is by, I think this is John James. Next one. This is also a tribute to my grandmother. She had an armchair like this, but she didn't used to knit. She did cross stitching, and some of the cross stitching was on her armchair. So this reminds me of her. And this is also Grandmother's Old Garden series. DMC floss, 14 count 8 of fabric. And the last one, this is like a swing that I liked. My grandma didn't have a swing like that, but it also remind me of my childhood. Really liked the swing when I was a kid. This is also DMC. This is, as you can see, this is from the same series. This is by RTO. And they have a lot of other ones, but these are the ones that I like the most. And this is like 12.5 by 17.5 centimeters. I don't know how much that is in inches. Sorry about that. Now we have the bigger one kits. This is Russian. The company is called Zolotoy Runo. This is a castle, and I love cross stitching like fairy tale themes. This is like a fairy tale fairy tale castle. This has like Zweigart fabric and Madeira floss. I think Madeira floss is German made, and a Zweigart fabric is also German. This is the floss. Next one, this is by Letty Stitch. Beautiful girl with puppy. Labrador, I think, if I'm not mistaken. This has anchor floss. And you stitch with cross and half a cross. That's 50 colors. And actually, I thought that there are going to be a lot of reds, but actually it's not a lot of red, if you ask me. Because if you look at here, there's so much red here, but not that much red here. Well, we'll see. This is 16 count here, I see. And I don't know how much this will be 10.6 by 8.9 inches. Next one. This is Russian. This is from FLOSSTUBE. Birds with like berries and in snow. And you can't see much on the back, just the instructions. And the last one. This is also by RTO. This is kind of like a flower. It's called Raspberry Candles of Willow Herbs. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but I know that in Russia they make tea out of this herb, a flower. I've never tried it myself, but I would like to. This has DMC floss. And look at the colors, they're beautiful. The pinks and the greens. And this is 16 count Aida fabric, I see. So that was about it. So let me know what you liked. What kit you liked and which one you want me to cross stitch. Do you like this one by RTO? Do you like the glitter stitch? Do you like the castle? Do you like the birds? Did you like the tram? Or did you like Grandma's old garden? Or maybe you liked some of my organizers. So that was it. So I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. And I hope you subscribe because there's lots more to come. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.